YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm just going to show you guys a quick video on how to install this PITSBURGH automotive portable tire changer. So as you can see, this is the base. You want to go and then put the two pieces that it came with it. Right in the middle right here between these two holes, one on each side. And then after that you're gonna put this like that to match the hole, and then you could screw down those nut washer and then screw. Yeah, you want to go ahead and put the screw and then the washer, go through here, and then the nut on the bottom side, okay? And then tie it like that. So you're gonna have 4. So when you put the screw in, make sure it's not tight, over tight yet. Just a loose fit, so you can maneuver around in case you need to do some adjustment, okay? And then be sure this post is facing this metal plate that is protruding out there, okay? And then a bead breaker, you need to depends on which hole you want to install, depends on the wheel size of the rim. And the other end goes on top of here. This end goes over here. And you need to determine which hole, the top or the bottom, okay? And you need to insert this long pin right here to make sure it's go through on both sides. And then I use this locking pin to go through here. And that's it. So be sure this is protruding toward this metal piece. So I'm going to put the pin through the top hole, and then put the locking pin on this side. And then you will need to insert the bar over here. So you could put the tire down there and then break the B-bar while you're pressing this downward, okay? after that, be sure you put this ball right here through one of your the nut hole or the wheel hole so it won't move, okay? And after you put the wheel in there, you're gonna put this to lock it up, but be careful. You wanna face, this one has like a slanted, so it's gonna go down this way, okay? Because it's kind of slanted upward. I'm gonna give you like an idea. I'm gonna give you a sample right here. If you try to screw this one in, it fits perfectly. If you put it opposite direction, how this thing metal piece is protruding out or upward, and this is not gonna go flush, okay? So make sure you put in the right direction. And then you're gonna screw this on the top. Make sure you hand screw this. Yeah, because you don't want to cross thread. And you can insert the tool in here. To tighten it. So yeah, that's about all the installation that you need to know. And the following video or the next video, I'm going to test out on the actual tire installation and then to see how it works, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.